Who knew that with just a pink pipe cleaner, you could make a little pig this adorable? It looks super cute, and the process is very relaxing. It's easy to make, even for beginners. Let's make it together. First, straighten the pipe cleaner. Use your left hand to measure a section about the length of your palm. Shape your hand like the number 8 and hold the pipe cleaner firmly. Wrap the pipe cleaner around your index finger 3 times, from back to front. Slide it off, turn it over, and face the front side toward you. Thread the long end through the center hole. Thread it through one more time to form 2 ears like this. Bring the long end around the back, then thread it through the hole like this. Fold the long section out to both sides to make the arms, then twist tightly to secure. Make the legs in the same way. Wrap the remaining pipe cleaner around the body and shoulders. Once the frame is complete, it should look like this. Bend and adjust the shape until it looks even and balanced. Use scissors to trim the fuzzy fibers and make the head rounder. Trim a little at a time and repeat as needed. Trim the forehead into a semicircle. Neaten both sides of the face. Trim the fibers to shape the ears. Trim clear lines between the head, body, arms, and legs. And now the pig's fur is fully trimmed. Gently bend the ears like this to make them look cuter. Apply glue and attach the eyes to the face. Add a little glue and attach the nose. Add a little pink color inside the ears. Add some blush to the pig's cheeks. Glue on a small bow. You can also add a tiny apple for decoration. And our adorable little pig is finished. I'll add a keychain strap to turn it into a keychain. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.